This is the Bring Coffee Clear Stamp set from Hero Arts. As well as having some coffee rings and splatters, there are a ton of different sentiments perfect for coffee themed cards. We have Affogato Your Birthday, Better Latte Than Never, Coffee Understands, Put the Kettle On, Coffee Lovers Club, more espresso, less depresso, bring coffee, but first coffee, and you are beautiful. Again, perfect for coffee themed cards or even a coffee themed scrapbook page or mixed media project. The coffee rings as well as the splatters are perfect for using for a background for those coffee themed cards, or you could use it really with any theme if you want it. I'm using it with a Misty stamping tool so I can do multiple stamping if I want to, making sure to clean the stamps before moving them around. The stamp sets or the sentiments are really easy to use and stamp with, and I also use my Misty to stamp them as well, just to make sure that I get a nice crisp sentiment on my projects. You can also use them with embossing ink and emboss those sentiments as well. Perfect touch for those coffee themed projects to just add those sentiments to it. And I always love when there are punny type sentiments to go with those. With 19 different sentiments in this set, there is so much different variety to choose from, and I really love having that variety of choice to find the perfect one to go with the card that I'm creating. Such a fantastic set.